Welcome to Rose Night Chinese class. Lesson 7. What's the date today?
第7课，今天几号？
This video consists of 3 parts in total. The first part is new words. The second part is language points. And the last part is practice session. Now let's start with the first part. Part 1. New words. There are 12 words in this lesson. Please read these words following along the audio.
学校、书、月、号、星期、今天、昨天、明天、请、问、看、去。
If you want to read them more times, you can repeat this part by yourself. Now, let's study these words one by one.
学校、
A noun means school.
书、
A noun means book.
月、
A noun means month.
号、
A noun means number when used for the date of the month. The circled day on the calendar in red color is the 7th day in July. In Chinese, this date is read as
7月7号。
Since we have already talked about months, let's study how to read each month in Chinese. Please read them along with the audio. January,
1月、
February,
2月、
March,
3月、
April,
4月、
May,
5月、
June,
6月、
July,
7月、
August,
8月、
September,
9月、
October,
10月、
November,
11月、
December.
12月。
Okay, do you find the rule of speaking months in Chinese? Yes, the structure is the number and...
月、
Did you get it?
星期、
A noun means week. From the calendar on the screen, the 7th day of July is Friday. In Chinese, you can say
7月7号，星期五。
Next, let's study how to read the 7 days of a week in Chinese. Please read them following along the audio. Monday,
星期一、
Tuesday,
星期二、
Wednesday,
星期三、
Thursday,
星期四、
Friday,
星期五、
Saturday,
星期六、
Sunday. In Chinese, it's not read as
星期七、
but read as
星期日、
or.
星期天、
You can also use
周、
instead of
星期、
to express it. Thus, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday can also be read as
周一、周二、周三、周四、周五、周六、周日、昨天、
a noun means yesterday.
今天、
A noun means today.
明天、
A noun means tomorrow. From the calendar on the screen, you can express the date as follows.
昨天是7月6号，星期四。今天是7月7号，星期五。明天是7月8号，星期六。请、
A verb means please. It's a polite way to ask somebody to do something.
问、
A verb means to ask, to inquire. In that picture, you can see the little girl is asking the teacher in a polite way because she says,
请问，看
A verb means to look at, to watch, to read. For example,
看书
reading a book.
去
A verb means to go. For example,
去学校
go to school. Part 2. Language points. The first one is the expression of a date. The way of a date expression follows the principle of the bigger unit coming before the smaller one. The month should be read first, followed by the date, and finally day of the week.
号
Is commonly used instead of
日
to express the date in oral speech. The structure of asking for the date is
几月几号星期几
the answer structure is
月日号星期
For example,
今天是几月几号？
what is the date today?
今天是7月12号星期三
Today is the 12th of July, Wednesday. The second one is sentences with a nominal predicate. This kind of sentences are usually used to indicate age, time, date, and so on, where the predicate is a nominal element. The structure is the subject followed by the predicate. For example,
我爸爸50岁
my father is 50 years old.
明天星期六
Tomorrow is Saturday. The last one is sentences with a serial verb construction. In this sentence structure, the predicate consists of 2 or more verbs. The latter verb can serve the purpose of the former. Sometimes the object of the first verb, like the place, can be omitted. The structure is the subject followed by
去
then the place, which can be omitted, and then the second verb, to do something. For example,
我去学校看汉语书
I go to school to read Chinese books. You can omit
学校
and just say
我去看汉语书我去中国学习做菜
I go to China to study Chinese cooking. Also, you can say
我去学习做菜
let's do some exercise to consolidate the knowledge from this lesson. Part 3. Practice. The first practice is a listening exercise. You will hear a sentence and a question. Please choose the correct answer according to what you have heard. You have 5 seconds to choose the answer.
昨天是8月4号今天是8月5号
今天是几月几号？
Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answer is correct or wrong. The text is on the bottom of the screen, and the right option is circled already in red color. The second practice is a reading exercise. Pair the appropriate answer from the right block with the question from the left block. You have 15 seconds to finish this exercise. Okay, the time is up. Please check to see if your answers are correct or wrong. The key is on the upper right of the screen. This video is here. If you encounter difficulties in learning Chinese, please send us a private message, leave a message, or communicate with us through the contact information on the screen. And do not forget to like and favorite and share. See you next time.